Howdy, howdy. Here it is, guys. This is the little Mini Cooper. Come back from the paint shop. This came back from the upholstery shop. How cool is this? I didn't know these things had pop-out windows. That's cool. I didn't even know that. Yeah, I have been promised a test drive I get to drive it, but right now the shop is, but it is so freaking cool. So cool. The light's not too great right now, but all new upholstery. Did a real good paint job on it. I did there's probably maybe three other little videos. I think one of them, the most recent one, is Little Mini Cooper Lives Again or something like that. I'll figure out how to post the links to the other videos and y'all can see what it looked like before. But yeah, he restored it. Let me see if I can get in here. What? How cool is that? This is for my brothers across the pond, Lone G, Mitch the trash man. How cool is that, guys? I wonder if I gotta figure out how to pop the hood. How cool is that? Little Mini Cooper lives again. Wow, nice paint job. Cool. Little Mini Cooper lives again. Hey, y'all want to see something cool? Anybody tell me what this is? Can anybody tell me what this is? Please leave in the comments section if you know what this is. All right, so here's kind of like a used, dirty version. Here's like a super clean version. Anyway, we're not talking about this. Anyways, y'all leave in the comments what it is. That's what I love about coming to the shop. How cool is this little car? Yeah, so I have been promised test drive. I will be videoing that, but dang. Whoa, we got some action. It's so hard to do this with one hand. How cool is that? Yeah, I'm really excited about driving it. Sounds like it has like a small block V8 in it, I swear. Are they really supposed to sound this loud? I was like, man, so you fixed everything but the exhaust? He says, I'm leaving it just like that. Uh-oh, what'd I do? Sweet! Pretty cool. All right. For my boys across the pond. Oh, and down in Australia. Yeah. My brothers from down under. Y'all be careful, be kind. The Mini Cooper lives again. Thank Heck yeah.